kadak jong kejing burom bat bachelor ki samla pule bakila pendap ye kejing pule bakin nangim bat bo ya kathong ban kiu haki kardan ki bakham hajrong ka Saint Xavier College Umoid mintak sngi kala yo ban Pynkup burom ye ki arpu prangut ki samla pule ki bala pendap ye kejing pule na kene ka shlam pule Hagani Gasni, Uba Lakaman Rumbui, Mentri Badai Pet Yakatanat Puli Buthi, Revenue and Law Jangasroka Meghalaya, Ula Longkum Okangsan. But Ben Pope and Piang Yakandika program, Kisamla Puli, Kila Iru a musical play, Kabakila Iker Tang the Greatest Showman, Hakaba Lingba Kandika program, Kalapin Shop Beat Yabaro Kibela One Yashimbenta Hakanikasni, Kirpangi Samla Puli. Kiwede Kibala Danlang Gilong Uba FB Basan MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khas Hills District Reverend Father Alpansa Swatlang Parish Priest Jangka Nativity Parish Maukarwat O Father Defender Mertong Assistant Parish Priest Jangka Nativity Parish Maukarwat O Father Sunny Augustine SJ Principal Jangka Saint Xavier College Umoid O Father John Ebenezer SJ Vice Principal Jangka Saint Xavier College Umoid ki sisters ki nong hikai ki kimi ki pa bat ki weide.
The graduating students will be followed by the heads of departments, distinguished dignitaries, the principal, and our esteemed chief guests. The dignitaries walk in pairs. Walking inside your by the sky, we can see the whole world below.
Bearing in your book that aim that you can be taking your breath, still in your mind, and all was real is left behind. Don't fight, it's free for the wrong nature. It's only this moment that you want after. Your feeling dream catching, get closer. Just surrender cause the feeling taking over. This fire is freedom is floating up in the pitching in the pulpit and you find it was you. Just on the great of every word, if I'll let you know. So tell me, do you want to go?
Commitment and active participation in national service scheme activities.
Under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sam, tries to give the best to its citizens. We try to give the avenue. We try to give opportunity. And we try to cultivate, we try to learn. That's why we have seen so many things is happening. It is up to each one of you. What do you want to explore? It is to each one of you what you want to do. If you want to be an IAS, the government gives scholarship. The money is there to give training and coaching. If you want to be an artist, make a grassroots program is there. If you want to be entrepreneur, Babasan is there. They will guide. They will give you an opportunity. If you want to be anything, the government is trying to give an opportunity. But you have to identify what you want to do. And you have to be determined what you want to do, whatever you want to do. Because though life is full of opportunity, life also full of challenges. I cannot satisfy myself. That is one challenge. Every individual forget about somebody satisfy him. He cannot satisfy himself. A student who gets 90% or something is not satisfied. They want 100%. If I get a Maruti car, I want to get some bigger. Why? Because we have life. That's why we could not satisfy ourselves. So it is full of challenges. And every challenge which we conquer